So I'm here with John from Room at the Top, and this is his project. Just can you tell us a little bit about yourself, John? How long have you been doing this?
So I've been building loft conversions for over 12 years now.
Yeah.
It's a third generation family run business. It was actually my granddad's company he founded it in 1987.
Yeah.
It then passed to my father Matthew and then to myself.
Yeah.
It's all I've ever known is loft conversions from a very, very young age.
On a typical build like this, how long would you say estimate time for the external works and how long for the internal works?
So with how our team works, we work together at the beginning where we get that main structure work into place. Mm-hmm. Once we've got that in, we split into two teams of two, so both the internals and externals work hand in hand with each other, and it's what helps us achieve that 4-week turnaround. We're not heavily reliant on one trade or another then to finish certain elements so we can carry on, but we do work separately then, so the outside and the inside work together to come together as one complete project then.
Excellent.
So our project involves building a raised gable rear dormer, 1 bedroom with a bathroom conversion up in that original attic space. Double bedroom with an ensuite attached to it. So it'll make from original 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom to a 4 bedroom with a bathroom and an ensuite.
Northern Building Plastics. Why collect when we can deliver?